Hey guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the new iPhone 6s Plus 64 gig model. This is the rose gold edition. So let's get to it. Let's open it up, see what's inside this bad boy real quick. Alright, here we go. It's just a regular butterfly knife, nothing special. Take a look, First time opening it up. Oh man, this is exciting. Alright. Take off the plastic. Here we go. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Woo. Take a look at that bad boy. Oh man. This thing is a beast. Alright, let's put it to the side real quick. Take a look at what comes inside. Your basic instructions, Apple stickers. You got the basic Apple headphones. You got your wall adapter, and you got your Lightning USB cable. It looks a little longer than usual. Alright, cool. Let's put this stuff away. Let's put it to the side. Nice. Let's just do a quick boot up. Oh man. Sexy. Well, you know the basic specs already. You got your 12 megapixel camera. You got the new 3D touch. Your fingerprint scanner. Or your fast fingerprint scanner. And that's pretty much it. Just a quick unboxing of the new iPhone 6s Plus Rose Gold Edition 64 gig model. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.